Hi friends, today we will learn some important bits in 10th class science. This is part 1. Name the reducing agent in the given equation. Equation is Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. The answer is carbon monoxide. This is the reducing agent. Name the extensively coiled structure of alimentary canal. Answer: the extensively coiled structure in alimentary canal is ileum of the small intestine. Name the acid present in tomato and vinegar. Answer: the acid present in tomato is oxalic acid. The acid present in vinegar is acetic acid. Name the receptors that are located in tongue and nose. Answer: olfactory receptors are present in nose. They detect the smell. Gustatory receptors are present in tongue. They detect taste. Name the material transported by pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Answer: pulmonary artery transport deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Now, pulmonary veins transport oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. Which is the internal energy reserve in plants? Do animals have the same energy reserve? The answer: starch is the internal energy reserve in plants. No, animals do not have the same energy reserve. The energy reserve in animals is glycogen. Why do we prefer a convex as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Answer: convex mirror always produces equal, erect and diminished image of the objects. So we prefer them. A person is advised to wear spectacles with convex lenses. State the defect he is suffering from. Answer: hypermetropia. What is the range of vision of a normal human eye? Answer: near by range 25 cm and far by range away 25 cm and infinity. What happens when bleaching powder is kept open in air? Chlorine gas is passed through dry slacked lime. Answer: when bleaching powder is kept open in air, bleaching powder is yellowish white powder with a strong smell of chlorine. This is because bleaching powder reacts with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to produce calcium carbonate and chlorine. The reaction is CaOCl2 plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus Cl2. Bleaching powder reacts carbon dioxide, produces calcium carbonate and chlorine. Now, chlorine gas is passed through dry slacked lime. The answer: when chlorine is passed through slacked lime, bleaching powder is formed. CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Slacked lime means calcium hydroxide plus chlorine gives bleaching powder plus water. Thank you.